Okay, two world wars are over, and I don't know third world war will happen or not. We all pray that it will never happen. But third world war in trade, in economics, is set to start. Looks like day by day, United States and China they are trying to come to a peace treaty in the trade, but it gets broken some here or there. China being the most developed country in the world right now as far as trade and economics is concerned. And the United States used to be the most advanced country in manufacturing, economic, trade, or something like that. And somehow they are clashing with each other. Okay, one has taken over United States and one has been the most powerful in trade and economy over the time, and they are clashing with each other. In that manner, United States somehow it is severely heavily dependent upon China as far as 17 rare out of 17, 12 are nicely abundantly found in China and mostly in China around the globe. And United States companies, United States is a country which invented maximum new technology, maximum, especially electronics based, especially electronic based equipment. United States is a country where maximum invention and research has happened. And so maximum equipments came from United States only, like someone can say computer screen, computer related electronics or consumer electronics, and then in the nuclear technology, nuclear reactors or atomic bomb. So these research they primarily came from the United States. So United States has been country which has been heavily using has heavily been using the rare earth metal, because rare earth metal is heavily used in electronics based products, but unfortunately they are mined from China. And China, being a poor country earlier, they were for money they were exporting this to United States. In that manner, United States electronics company they invested heavily in China because raw material was in China only. And slowly Chinese people they learned the hardware technology from America. Now they are the most richest country in the world from electronics only. From electronics or electrical vehicle. Wrongly it is called electrical vehicle. Actually it is electronics vehicle. So electrical vehicle or whatsoever, all electronic based products. China is number one and it is number one country in the world in the miss. America was number one in electronics, number one in the money and everything. Now China is number one in electronics. China is number one everything. Now there is a war going on between China and America when China is controlling rare earth metal supply to the United States. Now companies would starve there because they need rare earth metal from the China. What are these rare earth metal? What they are used for, and what is their price in Shanghai Metal Market that we are seeing? Six, six or seven, I believe seven rare earth metal we have already seen. Rare earth metal in periodic table or atomic table, they are listed in some number. Two are different. Otherwise, all 15 comes in a range only. Rare earth metal. They are metal. They are not compound. Okay, means they have distinctive characteristic. Okay, so what we have talked till now, if I see rare earth metal, then there are 17 rare earth metals. And in atomic table, the 17 a rare earth metal all from 63 to 71, mostly all 15. Only two are out of it, and that is scandium Sc21 and yttrium Y39. These are the atomic number. Otherwise, all 15 fall in between 63 to 71. 63 means in one atom there are 63 electrons, or in the nucleus there are 63 proton and neutron. So that is make a metal they come in metal. 17 rare earth metal. If I see the name, so I'll cite it again. Ceramium, dysprosium, erbium, europium, gadolinium, holmium, lanthanum, lutetium, neodymium, praseodymium, promethium, samarium, scandium, terbium, thulium, yttrium, and yttrium. So these are the 17 rare earth metal. Rare means they are found mainly in China only. That's why it is rare. Otherwise, in China they are not rare. They are much more abundant than tin and arsenic also. They are thousands and thousand times more abundant than gold. They are that much abundant in China, but they are called rare earth metal because they are only in China, especially in Inner Mongolia region. There they are maximum. Okay, so we have already talked about lanthanum, cerium, samarium, ytterbium, gadolinium, europium, and yttrium. Okay, the prices are in the ascending order, and prices are not because they look like a gold or silver or something. Prices are completely as per their abundance, not as per their usage. More abundantly found, their prices are less. Less abundantly found, their prices are more. Same to gold also. Okay, gold may have very high characteristic, that is true. But gold is in India potentially there is no gold mines at all. Zero. Zero by zero. So that's why gold is costly because you don't find it. And this is how economics market also works. You make anything scarce in the market, may supply zero, the demand will grow, price will grow. Same way, based upon the supply and demand, these rare earth metal price they go up and down. We will see the eighth one, that is erbium. Erbium. Erbium is heavy and it is abundant. It is as abundant as yttrium. Yttrium. Okay, yttrium is other than yttrium. So yttrium. Okay, it is silver in color and in fiber optical cables. This erbium is used, means high speed. Without erbium, if people they are curious to know that how high speed internet is work in the around the world, then high speed internet cable, there are fiber cable, they are made from erbium only. Okay, nuclear reactors, laser manufacturing, and glass production, erbium is used. It is $41.4 per kilogram. That will come around 3,500 rupees per kg. Not very costly. Okay, it is price is stable and it is mainly found in China only. Next is holmium. It is soft silver gray color. It is soft, but it is heavy. Soft, but it is heavy. Fifth rarest of all. Okay, it is not found very openly, very in abundance. High performance laser and magnet. So this come in magnet area. High performance laser or magnet are being made through holmium. A specialty is glass and nuclear control rods. So nuclear control rod is a rod that is used in nuclear plant. I believe nuclear rods they are actually get ignited or something like that. Nuclear rod in that it is used or a specialty glasses. So specialty glasses that is are made there also it is used. Okay, it is biggest supplier of this is Germany. Germany has holmium oxide in abundance and they supply. Otherwise, United States depend upon China only. Which China also has in abundance. $66.53 per kilogram is the weight, is the price in Shanghai Metal Market. Not very high. Neodymium. So we are entering into magnetic area. So this holmium is used in making magnet. Then neodymium is also used in making magnet. It is silver white color and it is called linchpin to clean energy. So it is highly required in the clean energy. Clean energy devices like electrical vehicle, solar panel, they comes in clean energy technology. They don't liberate smoke or something like that. Magnet made by substance so whatever so it is used in making magnets and it is crucial component in wind turbines and electrical vehicles. Okay, $92.52 per kg it is charged in the Shanghai metal market. 85% of it worldwide comes from China only. Praseodymium. white, yellowish, silver color. White, yellow, silver color. Three colors it shows like that. Okay, with remarkable magnet property. It is also has magnet property, and if it has magnet property, it is used in wind turbine and electrical vehicle. Means neodymium and praseodymium. This is praseodymium, and previous one was neodymium. Both are crucial in making the magnets, and they comes in rare earth metal. They are not found in abundance. Okay, $95.93 per kilogram. It is priced in the Shanghai Metal Market, and China is the largest exporter of this. Dysprosium, silver, white color, and heavy, used in making alloy, okay, that make up the magnet. Again, this makes the magnet. Last four are in magnet: dysprosium, praseodymium, neodymium, and holmium. Where for holmium, Germany is the largest source. So dysprosium, silver white and heavy, used in making alloy or alloy, and that make up magnets, essential for electric vehicle and wind turbine. Whenever magnet comes, wind turbine and electrical vehicle. Okay, some okay, some class neo. Okay, it falls in same class as neodymium, praseodymium in making magnet. The way I said. Okay, it is also used in nuclear reactor technology and laser manufacturing. It is considered as one of the scarcest. It is very rarely found, and 98% worldwide. China is the source. $202.99 per kilogram. So now it is coming as costly now. Okay, lutetium, silver white and heavy. It is used in cancer treatment, medical sensors like I believe CT scan or whatsoever. Catalyst in the petrochemical industry. Okay, you catalyst in petrochemical industry. So in petrochemical industry, someone can use it as a catalyst in some reaction. It will it will facilitate the reaction, but it will come out as it is. This is catalyst. Okay, used by scientists to date meteorites. So meteorite, if they find on the earth, how much old it is, for that also it is lutetium is used. South China, I believe Sichuan and those regions, mostly it is found. I don't know, it is Sichuan or not, but South China is written. $637.45 per kg. It is getting costly now. 637.45 per kg. Terbium, heavy, and it is called fourth rarest. Out of all rarest, it is fourth rarest, terbium. Okay, but it is twice as common as silver. How much silver is found abundantly? It is twice abundantly found as silver. Gray in color. It is gray in color, and it is a hard metal called terbium. It is used in semiconductors, electronics, and in LED, light emitting diode. Like europium, terbium has fluorescent property. Fluorescent property means it will be used in making the television or computer screen, where cathode ray will come and hit it, then it will glow for fluorescent material. It is also a fluorescent material. Okay, it is used in anti-counterfeiting ink in the banknote. So if banknote like 500 rupees or 2000 rupees was coming earlier, or old days 100, 1000 rupees or 5000 rupees, that number 500 or 1000, it will shine. If someone do like this, it will shine. That shining comes from these kind of fluorescent material, terbium. $1,073 per kilogram in Shanghai Metal Market. 57% of it comes from China, 23% comes from Myanmar, and 14% comes from Australia. Otherwise, it is actually available in abundance in Ukraine, not mined, but it is abundantly available in Ukraine. And Donald Trump has eye on it. Means they would mine, they would mine. Up. I'm sorry about it. I don't think. Okay, so terbium, Ukraine is not source of terbium. So only three countries. Next one is source of terbium. Also terbium, $1,073 dollar per kilogram, 57% in China, 23% in Myanmar, and 14% in Australia. Another is thulium. Thulium silver grey heavy and second rarest. 125% more abundance than gold. Still, gold is rare than thulium. Okay, it is used in laser production and it is $1,737 per kilogram, and it is considered as the one of the most critical material in United States. It is found in South China. Okay, it is found in South China. Okay. Next is a scandium, black yellow in color, similar to titanium in hardness. Titanium is a metal which is very hard. So it is very hard like titanium and very lightweight like aluminium. That is scandium. Heavy melting point. Melting point is sorry, high melting point. Melting point is very high. Resistance to corrosion. It will never catch corrosion. Okay, so it won't corrode. So the rust, it won't get rusted. So that is the so it is primarily used in electronics, lighting and batteries, auto part, aircraft components because it is lightweight and very strong. Melting point is also very high. I believe this is the only rare earth metal I am seeing where melting point is very high, very strong, and very lightweight. So it is used in auto part, aircraft components, sporting goods, especially racing bikes, where it should be lightweight and very strong. So there it is used. Okay, golf clubs means golf stick and door it there it is used. Very lightweight and very strong. Okay, baseball bats. It should be lightweight and very strong. Okay, it is $3,280 per kilogram. Very costly. 3,280. I believe it is three times more price than silver. Okay, it is China is number one source of it, but otherwise it is found in Philippines, Canada, and Russia also. Ukraine is the largest. Ukraine has largest deposition of this for scandium. And if someone gets a scandium, he will become rich overnight only. And that's why Donald Trump has eye on the Ukraine being the largest deposition of scandium is in Ukraine only, where American president has eye on it. If he get hand on scandium, then America will get lot and lot of money from it. You have to use it. That's it. And America, it makes aeroplane. America makes racing motorbike and everything. America makes means it will be like a boon to United States. And it is though it is not extracted heavily from Ukraine, but deposition is very high. Last is promethium. Promethium is a only rare earth metal which has radioactive property. Means radioactive property means it will start shrinking in its mass like uranium. It will liberate radioactive radiation and then it will start shrinking because energy it will liberate. This is not found in any of the mines. It is found generally in nuclear reactors. In nuclear reactor, when uranium or whatsoever nuclear fission happens, then at the end people see one metal and that is called promethium. It was discovered. Means either in some uranium or somewhere this promethium is found and they comes up when uranium is burned, or it is automatically generated with some chemical reaction. But this is a metal. It is not a compound. It was discovered in United States 1945, and it is not generally get sold out. It is generally found in Tennessee. Tennessee is a state in United States where in nuclear reactor, I believe Oak Ridge is a town there would be nuclear reactor and there it is found. If someone try to find the price of it, then minimum the baseline price is $460,000 per kilogram. $460,000 per kilogram. $500,000 per kilogram means it is the most costliest thing in the world out of all the metals including gold and whatsoever. This is the most costliest metal in the world, and that is promethium. Unfortunately it is found only in the nuclear reactor, and it is in Tennessee. Oak Ridge is a place where there it is generally they get it. Okay, it is used in research. It powers atomic batteries for pacemakers. So pacemaker generally it is placed in the heart where it will it will pump. Generally, some people their heart is not working very nicely. They are not getting the accurate pump heart should do. So they place pacemaker, electronic device, and to power the atomic batteries in the pacemaker. What is the condition of human being nowadays? And there it is used radios and guided missile also. It is used as a it powers atomic battery, very delicate battery, atomic battery to power pacemaker and radios. Okay, and guided missile also. So there it is used in batteries actually, atomic battery. It is used in research. It is used in specialized lighting and displays, radiation detectors, and in cancer therapy. So these are the story of rare earth metal. Only last one promethium is not found in China. Otherwise, we see somewhere it is found in China again. But anyway, officially, China export heavily 12 rare earth metal only. 5 it does not export heavily. Anyway, people understand rare earth metal, and we expect that there would not be third world war because of rare earth metal. When rare earth metal is being found in Thailand, Myanmar, then it is found in India also, but it is very, very less, insignificant in front of China. So Indian government has announced that India will try its best to find the rare earth metal. If it finds so, then the United States will depend upon India, and India homegrown technology in electronics it will grow up because they will find the resources in India only. So Indian people they will establish lot of electronics based companies out here. This is what we pray so, we wish so.